It took me 3 minutes to generate this Hollywood-style video using just my computer and a text prompt. And now you can do it too. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new PixVerse V5 AI video generator. Let me show you how it works. First, type in your prompt. Then select your video style. Next, click Generate. And in just 60 seconds, you will have your very own AI video. Let's do one more to make sure it wasn't a fluke. There we go. Now let's take a closer look at the UI. On the left-hand side, you have your prompt area. Here you can type in any text prompt that you want. For example, let's try something a little more specific like a talking cat in a spacesuit. Now when I click Generate, the AI will use its knowledge and understanding of the world to take this somewhat obscure idea and turn it into a reality. Now, as you can see, there are many different video styles to choose from. You have things like cinematic, anime, cartoon, whiteboard, green screen, and so much more. And with the new V5 update, you now have access to over 100 different presets to choose from, each one with their own unique style and flair. Now, what's really cool about PixVerse is that it's not just a video generator. It's also an editor too. You can add text, images, stickers, GIFs, and even your own videos and then animate them using the built-in editor. So, what are some of the improvements with V5? Well, firstly, you now have realistic motion. This means that the AI will be able to generate videos with smooth and natural-looking movements. This is a huge improvement over previous versions, which often had choppy or unnatural movements. Secondly, we now have better lip sync. This means that the characters in your videos will be able to sync their lips to the audio in your videos. This is another big improvement over previous versions, which often had poor lip sync. Thirdly, we now have cinematic effects. With V5, you can create videos with a more cinematic look and feel. This is perfect for creating trailers, teasers, and other types of promotional videos. Finally, we now have faster rendering. This means that your videos will render faster than ever before. This is perfect for those of you who are always on a deadline. Let's now take a look at a side-by-side comparison of V4 and V5. As you can see, there is a huge improvement in terms of the quality of the videos. V5 is able to generate videos that are much more realistic and lifelike. Now let's compare PixVerse to some of the other leading AI video tools out there. On the left, we have Adobe's Firefly. In the center, we have RunwayML, and on the right, we have Pika art. As you can see, PixVerse is able to generate videos that are much higher quality and more realistic. There are literally endless applications for this software. You can create YouTube Shorts or viral TikTok content. You can create marketing ads. You can create educational explainers. You can tell stories, and you can create animations. And the best part about all of this is that you don't even need to show your face to make money. Here are just a few examples of faceless YouTube channels that are making thousands of dollars every single month using software like this. Now, if you want to get access to this software, there is a free trial. However, if you want to unlock all of the features and benefits, then you will need to get the Pro plan. Now this brings us to the million-dollar question. Is PixVerse V5 the best AI video generator for 2025? In my opinion, yes, it is, but you don't just have to take my word for it. Try it out for yourself today.